Hi, happy Memorial Day. I thought I would try these Hawaiian Chicken Skewers by Delish. It was a recipe that they had, and it was incredible. So I began with 2 chicken breasts. Now I marinate them in salt water so that they won't be dry. So that's about a 45-minute time frame, maybe an hour. Um, we're using a whole red onion, a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and about a cup of to a cup and a half of chopped fresh pineapple. I bought a cut pineapple, so I didn't have to chop that, but I want to go ahead and also chop up the red onion as well as the red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And, I just try to make them as square as possible. Next, I've sliced up my chicken breast into larger chunks so they don't disappear when you put them on the skewers here. So I have wooden skewers. And then I'm just going to add the bell pepper, onion, chicken, and pineapple in different combinations until I have kabobs that look like this. And so once I have my kebab, so those 2 chicken breasts, onion, and 2 bell peppers made about 6 skewers. And so I seasoned them with my nature seasoning salt that I like to use. It's a little lighter than Laurie's for chicken. Now, the trick to this is this incredible Hawaiian sauce. So there's a lot of ingredients. I've added a few more as well. And so it has soy sauce, barbecue sauce, honey, chili flakes, garlic, ginger, and red wine vinegar. And I've also added some cilantro oil, and it is just really good. So I'm putting the ingredients list in the description. So I've made sure that the kebabs are well seasoned again, and just turning them. And I'm baking them. Now, you can prepare them for the grill if you like. They're great either way. So we're going to bake these chicken and pineapple kebabs at about 350 degrees for 45 minutes. While it's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce. So in a bowl, I've combined a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. I've added 3 teaspoons of honey, as well as chili, crushed chili flakes, and teaspoons of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. So I chop it really fine so it can go into the sauce. 1 teaspoon of my cilantro lime oil and 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. And from there, I'm going to combine all of my ingredients into this really very tasty sauce and begin to baste the skewers. So typically I try to let the skewers cook at least about 45 minutes to be sure that the chicken is pretty cooked. And then I add the sauce until all of the skewers are well coated. And then I'm going to place this back in the oven on a lower heat for about 10 minutes, right? Just enough to kind of caramelize the sauce onto the skewers and take it out from there, letting it rest just a bit before I add my fresh cilantro. So this is about 2 teaspoons of fresh cilantro that I am just adding to the skewers, and it's now ready to serve. And that is the Hawaiian Chicken Skewers.